The heat pump people, creating comfort.
A lot of modern heat pumps nowadays come with various features that can save energy and efficiency. One of the main ones we talk about today would be a proximity sensor. Could be labelled as various other ways, patrol sensor and eye sensor and so on, depending on the brand or the manufacturer. The idea of that is to basically monitor the area that the system's supplying, and in the event that the occupants of the room would be leaving and forget to turn the heat pump off, then it scans and realizes that there's nobody in the room, therefore the demand isn't as high, and it will naturally just ramp back down to save energy and running costs of the system. So the fan will drop back down to a low fan speed, and it normally knocks off about 1 or 2 degrees off your desired heat pattern, your set point. So it's great for if you did leave the house in a rush and you've left your heat pump running, it will just knock it back down to save some energy, basically look after the unit a bit more than if it was just left on running for constantly and so on. It's a really good feature. I've used it a lot of times personally at my house as well, so it does work a treat. A lot of people think that the heat pump's not working, but it's actually just because there's been no activity in the area, so it's ramped back down. So as soon as something moves within the sensor's eye, then the heat pump just reverts back to whatever the set point and fan speed it was set on prior to it turning itself off. And yeah, I'd highly recommend using it on any heat pump really.